bridges for countries like my own and the vulnerable countries to be able to access these funds. Historically, the monies that we have access to have been the most expensive monies in the world. We are the poorest people on the globe, and when we borrow money, we pay more for it than those who have money. That is a situation that has, and it can only be reversed if the World Bank and the IMF become this catalyst for being able to access the large monies that are out there. And I think that for us, from what we have seen in Ghana, is something extremely important. That is one of the important decisions that have been taken by the Climate Variable Fund, which Mia Motley and are going to carry on. The second, of course, is the issue of the voice. The decision that has been made by the IMF to have this third, as it were, voice for us is a very welcome one. But we want to see that trend carried across all the global institutions, that there is now an effective representation of those who have not been represented before, especially the Africans. Because if decisions are going to be made of the magnitude that now has to be done, those who are affected have to be there to be able to make sure that the decisions are the right ones that are going to be made. So that's the second and absolutely key aspect. And thirdly, the mindset. We've lived so far on the assumption that some people will have to be poor for others to be rich. That mindset is what is at stake in the whole climate discussion. Because for it to succeed, for us to be able to make the transition that will enable all of us to live in this planet in an equitable and successful manner, we all have to see ourselves as part of one family. That has not been the picture up till now. Are people now prepared to recognize that we can create a world where there'll be prosperity, will be even and broadly based?